Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a yearly reading for Pisces for the year 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay. So, in this reading, we will see the overall energy for the year, key challenges or obstacles, the guidance and the probable outcome, covering your money, finances, career, relationships, health. Okay, so let's see. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the oracle deck. So please do stay till the end. And let's see what do the cards have for you, Pisces, for 2026. What's the overall energy we have for Pisces for 2026? Please tell me what's the overall energy we have. Okay. All right. Just a second. Okay, now let's see what are the challenges we have for Pisces. What are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Pisces in 2026? Challenges for Pisces in 2026. What are the challenges we have for Pisces? Okay. Okay, please clarify Ace of Pentacles as a challenge for Pisces. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles as a challenge for Pisces. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles as a challenge for Pisces. Please clarify. Okay. Let's see what's the guidance we have for you, Pisces. Guidance for Pisces. Oh, we have two cards here. One is hiding behind the other. Okay. Let's see what's the guidance we have for Pisces for 2026. What's the guidance to handle the obstacles for Pisces? What's the guidance we have for Pisces to deal with the obstacles? What's the guidance we have for Pisces? What's the guidance we have for Pisces? Guidance for Pisces. Whoa. Okay, please clarify the Hermit card as the guidance for Pisces. Please clarify the Hermit card as the guidance for Pisces. Please clarify the Hermit card. One more, please. One more, please. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see what's the probable outcome we have for you, Pisces. Probable outcome for the situations you are going to deal with. Probable outcome for Pisces in 2026. Please clarify the High Priestess. Please clarify the High Priestess as the guidance of the outcome for Pisces. Please clarify High Priestess as the outcome for Pisces. Sorry. Please clarify the High Priestess. Please clarify the High Priestess. Okay, card flipped. Yep. Okay. So, bottom of the deck, we have Three of Pentacles. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy is basically the energy you are dealing with lately, or subconsciously you are planning to do that. Okay, or you are willing to do that. Okay, so this card is telling that if you have isolated yourself, Pisces, then you need to step out and collaborate. You need to meet people. Okay, this card is also telling that you need to express what is your plan, like what you're trying to work on, what you're trying to understand, or what you're going through. You need to share it. Okay, it can be your experiences, it can be your your lessons. You never know what you have gone through, and if you share your experience, your lesson with others, it might help the other person, right? So that is also I'm also getting that you need to meet someone who can guide you, or show you a way to do particular things. It can be, for some of you, for very specific, it can be meeting a counselor so that you can release your your emotions, whatever is bothering you, your trauma. It will help you to heal your trauma if you have any. It will help you to overcome your past experiences or past your emotional wounds caused because of any traumatic situation which you might have faced in your life. Okay, I'm also getting that you need to seek some kind of you may be planning to meet a financial advisor, or you need to meet a financial advisor who can help you to grow, okay, make your finances better, or help you to get better rewards on your investments. Okay, that is also I'm getting here for you. I also see that for some of you, you may also be planning to, look for a dietitian who can suggest you a balanced diet. Okay, so that you can, start working on your health. Also, is what I'm getting here for you. All right. Now, the overall energy for you, Pisces, for 2026 is okay, first of all, you are looking for long term stability, or you will be focused on long term stability, but at the same time, you will be somewhere feeling that lack of emotional connection in your life. For doing that, you need to come out of your comfort zone and bring changes in your daily routine. You need to take care of your emotional well being, your physical well being, and focus on your finances. You need to, you might get a good job, you might get a good raise, you might get good rewards from your finances, from your investments, but somewhere deep down you will feel that lack of warmth, emotional bond in your life is what I'm getting for some of you. Okay, I also see that you might if your kids are away from you, then it can be for very specific of you. If your kids are away from you, or they need to maybe travel or go for their studies, for whatever reason, if your kids are moving away from you, maybe because of studies or job or career or anything, so you might miss them. Okay, you will kind of revisit their childhood days, and you will miss that, that motherly connection, that motherly touch, or that missing that kids wala energy is also I'm getting for some of you. Missing your kids is the energy also somewhere I'm getting. Also, I see if you're planning to welcome a baby in your family, then there are very good chances that you might get good news, but you have to take care of your physical well-being also. Okay, along with emotional well-being. All right, so that is what you have to do. You need to come out of your comfort zone. You need to make some positive or some changes in your daily routine, when maybe it can be for managing your finances, it can be getting into a healthy diet, it can be getting bringing a disciplined life, anything it can be, right? So there is some kind of change you need to bring, and that change is basically coming out of the comfort zone, right? So that is what I'm getting. You will inspire people, people will be motivated by you, you will feel, you are someone who brings light. Okay, people look at you with hope. Okay, so they kind of have some kind of expectations from you, that you will, whatever you will say, whatever you will bring, whatever you contribute is of so much importance, but it's not always acknowledged, or it's not always expressed, and that somewhere makes you feel low. Okay, so you don't have to focus on that, rather try to bring that change what you think is required. All right, now here I see, when it comes to the obstacles, I see, as I said, you are looking for long term stability. You might get good rewards, recognition, finances, growth in your career, everything, but you need to understand how you need to create a balance. Okay, in managing your work life and your personal life, your professional life. Okay, your health, your mental well-being, your physical well-being, your emotional well-being, and at the same time taking care of everything. यू नीड टू बेसिकली बैलेंस एवरीथिंग. आप ना प्रायोरिटाइज करने में थोड़ा आपको डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है चीज़ें, आपको लगेगा अभी ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस चीज़ पे ध्यान दो, फिर दूसरी चीज़ उस टाइम पे आ जाएगी कि नहीं ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, पहले इस पे ध्यान दो. सो वो एक थोड़ा सा आपको स्ट्रैटेजिकली थोड़ा प्लान करके आपको चीज़ों को हैंडल करने की ज़रूरत है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. ऑल्सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फाइनेंसेस, आपको बहुत केयरफुली इन्वेस्टमेंट के डिसीजन लेना है. अगर आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट करने का प्लान कर रहे हो, सो जस्ट बी वेरी केयरफुल. ओके, हर चीज़ को एनालाइज करो, ऑब्जर्व करो, उसके बाद में कोई डिसीजन लीजिएगा. इम्पल्सिवली कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. बोलते ना वो, देयर इज अ सेइंग कि आप दौड़ते हुए खाना नहीं खा सकते हो, राइट? तो वैसे जब आप टेंशन में हो, आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ डील कर रहे हो, तो आप कोई वाइज डिसीजन नहीं ले पाओगे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू calm yourself down. Okay, just take some time out, think through. Okay, try to understand everything, and only then take a decision. Okay, as I said, you may also be looking for some kind of advice, right? So if required, wherever you feel that you need some kind of guidance, then you need to definitely go for that. Okay, don't think that it's okay to, it's okay to take some advice, some kind of discuss your issues with a senior person. Don't think that you only have to deal with it. No, wherever you feel the need of taking some guidance, just go for it. Okay, I also see that you will be focusing on what is gone. Okay, maybe an old connection in your life, if there was any, तो हो सकता है आप उस चीज पे फोकस करो कि जो चीज चली गई है आपके आपके लाइफ से. You are focusing on what is gone, you are crying over what is gone. So you need to change your perspective. Okay, you need to focus on the lesson what you have learned from that situation, from that connection, and change your perspective towards your goal and start moving towards it. Leave things what are whichever is not helping you to grow. Okay, I also see that you are ready to move, leave something behind which is not giving you that emotional peace, emotional happiness, emotional satisfaction, and you are moving towards something uh, which will help you to grow, some kind of adventurous thing. If you are not doing it, then you need to do that. Okay, and doing that also is a bit of a challenge I see here for you, Pisces. So उसी वजह से थोड़ा सा ओवर थिंकिंग भी हो सकता है कि मैं ये करूँ या नहीं करूँ, मुझे ये आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल बी द आउटकम, आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ इट विल हैपन, विल आई बी एबल टू डू इट और नॉट. So many questions and doubts will come. So you have to understand what you are really looking for. प्रॉपर प्लानिंग के साथ, स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आपको आगे बढ़ना है. बिकॉज द गाइडेंस इज देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ न्यू स्टार्ट हैपनिंग, सम काइंड ऑफ रियलाइजेशन हैपनिंग, समथिंग इज एंडिंग एंड समथिंग न्यू हैज टू स्टार्ट. इट कैन बी अगेन, हो सकता है आप किसी ऐसे कनेक्शन में हो जहाँ पे आपको इमोशनली यू आर नॉट फीलिंग फुलफिल्ड, इमोशनली यू आर नॉट फीलिंग सेटिस्फाइड, एंड अल्टीमेटली you are deciding to move from that connection because it's a rebirth energy. Okay, this card is a rebirth kind of energy. So something is ending and something new is starting. It can be a new job, it can be a new way of looking at life, it can be a new connection, it can be changing things in your daily routine so that you can get fit. Okay, taking care of your health. Something is changing, something needs to start again, something old is ending and something new needs to start. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. So you have to surrender to the universe and trust your instinct and move towards growth, move towards your own betterment, because you are having that leadership skill. Okay, you will be success, you will get the success, you are having the support of the people around. Okay, whatever you need to put the whatever efforts you need to put from yourself, just put that. Okay, अपने तरफ से आप अपना पूरा 200% दीजिए and then let the result come. Okay, let your success make the noise. Okay, that is the message I'm getting here. So whatever experience you have, whatever knowledge you have, whatever you have gone through in life, use that experience, lesson, and you accordingly, wisely you have to take the decision. Okay, I also see that you need to spend some time with yourself. This is not isolation, this is going in solitude. Okay, आपको अपने साथ time spend करना है. No social media, no distraction, no people around, no chit chatting, unnecessary chit chat. Just spend some time with yourself, do some meditation. Do some meditation, spend time with yourself and listen to your own inner voice. Okay, listen to what your soul is trying to say, what your what your gut is trying to say. Just try to connect with yourself and understand your thoughts. Okay, understand the kind of decision you are going to take and the impact it is going to have. All right, so that is also what you have to keep in mind, because the outcome is, again, you might be in this energy of not able to decide, having mood swings, and there will be some kind of unnecessary conflicts, disagreements, drama happening around you, and you have to protect your peace. Okay, you have some kind of thing is going to be revealed. It's like a secret being revealed to you, and because of that, so many of your decisions might get impact. You might change yourself after that. Okay, I am getting it strongly. I also see that you need to open up to receive the new opportunities being presented to you. As I said, right, आप जो हो गया है उस चीज पे फोकस कर रहे हो. You need to shift your focus towards the lesson and moving on. Rather, you are being closed off. Okay, so you need to open up. You need to focus on the lesson and grab the opportunity universe is presenting into you. presenting in your life. Okay, it can be a new job, it can be again a connection, but you are focusing on the past connection, past person, past traumas, past issues, past bond, sorry, and you are not opening up for the new connection, okay, that new thing in your life. So you need to focus on, you know, focus on your lesson and focus on starting something new, because there is growth. Okay, once you decide to move on from the past issue, past trauma, you will see growth, and you will see that you will have the support of the universe and the people around. So basically you need to come out of your comfort zone. Sometimes the pain becomes a comfortable position, right, for us, comfortable place for us, sorry, comfortable place for us, so that we are okay with our pain also, right? We are not looking for healing. So you need to change that. Okay, you need to come out of that painful energy towards the healing energy, so that you can get into this energy of moving ahead with confidence and grace. Right now, this is a message I have for you, Pisces, for 2026. Bit of a dicey energy, but all you have to focus on is to connect with yourself, so that you can get the clarity and you can move on. Focus on the lessons what life or 2025 or the earlier years have taught you, and move ahead with grace, and move ahead with, with love and compassion and confidence. Okay, that is what you need to focus on. Try to protect your peace by not getting into unnecessary conflicts and drama, and just focusing towards your own growth and your own success. All right, so see, this is a confirmation that you need to focus on the lesson. This is a mirror guardian card. Take time to reflect. As I was saying, focus on the lessons, focus on the experiences you have gone through in your life. Time to reflect is like go back. Go back means, I'm not saying to go back to the person or to the place. I'm saying just go back within. Okay, spend some time with yourself. Understand, in each connection, each situation in your life you have gone through, everything is trying to teach you something. Okay, so sit with yourself and try to understand what particular situation or connection has taught you, or what change that situation or that person has bring into you, and is it good, is it bad, or you need to change it. What is that you have to do? Okay, so it's very important that you connect with yourself. When you meditate, you reflect. Okay, so that is what happens. So that is why I said try to meditate, try to connect with yourself. बाहर की दुनिया के शोर को आपको इग्नोर करना है, rather आपको अपने अंदर की आवाज सुननी है. ओके, उस तरह. That is what the message is. Another is fire guardian. Ignite your passion. As I said, right, don't be closed off. Okay, don't be closed off and focus on the past thing. Rather, grab the new opportunities being presented to you and work towards your goal with confidence and with that leadership skill, because you will have the support of the people around. These both the cards are the confirmation card of the reading which I have here. The cards are telling here that you need to reflect. Okay, reflect. The hermit and the mirror guardian are the same thing. Like the hermit is saying go within, and the mirror guardian is saying to reflect your own life, reflect the situation, and understand the lesson you are being taught by the universe. And fire guardian is also work towards your goal with passion, with compassion, with confidence, with leadership, and you will have the support of the people around, and you will go through all the challenges coming your way. All right, so this is a message I have for you, Pisces, for 2026. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.